Hi there, this is my Locke, and this is a Smith & Locke 50mm closed shackle padlock. I think the model number was 1050. Have a look at the bitting there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 6-pin, all fairly high. We'll give it a pick. Doing pin 2 is just needing a wee nudge. So there we go. No false set, no spools, no security pins. Quite disappointing. If we compare it to its little 40mm relative here, and that's the bitting on that one. We 5-pinner. I'll use top of the QA. Let's try and focus the camera. I'll use a shallower hook, Sparrow's Euro hook, I think. And so straight away, get into a little false set and counter and counter. Counter. Slipped off at that. Back into that false set. Little counter. Little counter. Little counter there, but I assume I've lost that false set. I'll overset something, so just ease off that tension. Just feeling out for there we go. Now, to me that felt like it was all spools. I've picked this one front to back, and I've picked it back to front, and I get a false set. I get a false set whichever way I do it. So, and I feel counter rotation on all the other pins. So, yeah, I think this one is pretty much full of spools, and this one, none. So yeah, it was kind of weird. Yeah, I would have thought this one should have been a bit more secure than the little 40mm one. But yeah, strange. I recommend that one. It's got quite a small Yale style QA, so it's a bit awkward in that respect. But yeah, nice counter rotation. You know, nice spools. So nice lock to pick. Whereas this one, just no fun feedback whatsoever. Yeah, I find that strange. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.